Hey guys, welcome to Phone Browser. And now as you can see, we have a very special and very unique smartphone in front of us. It's from the Doogee, and this is the latest model. It's called the Doogee S89Pro. And from the official website, we know that this phone was inspired by the Batman. Yes, so this is a Batman-inspired Roger smartphone, and as we can see now, they have a unique LED breathing light here, and as we can see, it's just very similar to the eyes of the Batman, and also yes, all of them are black, and also yes, even after we attach this special case, it looks more similar to the Batman. So okay, so so this way, no matter is authorized or not authorized, or they just inspired from the Batman, I can see, I will this is a really funny and really special smartphone in the Doogee phone industry. Also Doogee, they always do some unique phones like the Iron Man inspired phone, and also the ET inspired smartphones. So this is another special IP release inspired smartphone. And also, before we go to the Batman smartphone, we'll show you something very special and give you some fan surprise here. ET and Iron Man. So I have collected 3 models. This one is last year's Batman inspired phone. It's with LED breathing light as well, and here like the Iron Man eyes, and also with the special design case, it's really like a Batman. And also here is this is a Doogee S88, and also this one is Doogee S98. It's the ET inspired smartphone. Here is the legs of the ET, and also this one is support night vision as well. It's also support in-frame camera. So it's both of these phones are very cool, and also the LED flashlight here is special designed. So also with the case, it looks so unique. And okay, let's go to the point. Let's show you the talk on this model. Is the Doogee S89Pro. It's the Batman phone. And okay, so before we attach the case smartphone, I will show you the original look appearance of the phone. So it's a LED light, triple rear camera, and some corners enhanced to be more larger. And also we use a hook to hook this here when you're climbing or hiking. And also here is a 2-in-1 fingerprint and battery button. Also here is a customized button and waterproof SIM card, charging waterproofed charging dot. And also they provide another surprise fast. It's of a 3.5 mm waterproofed dot fast as well. So these are the main the basic. Whoa, so hot. Okay. Of this appearance of this model, and also about this time it's not only a IP rating smartphone, it's also a night vision smartphone, and also it supports multifunctional macro lens control. Here we can find they provide lots of fast choose. Like here we choose the screen off, light breathing effect, left think, wake up. So now we can change it to here, and okay, so this is the wake up mode we can choose. So they provide a convenient application for us to choose to set the breathing effort. And also this time they used the Halo P90 octa-core 20 nm producing processor on this phone, and also this phone is a 8GB RAM plus 256GB ROM, and also this time they provide a wardrobe screen is a 3.3 Full HD 1080 2340 resolution water drop screen as well. And also for the camera system, it have a triple rear camera system. The main one is 64 megapixel main camera and also 20 megapixel night vision camera. We will test night vision camera a bit later, and also it have a wide angle camera, 8 megapixel wide angle pixel in the middle, and also for the front one is have a 60 megapixel Samsung front camera. And also this time they use the Android 12. Okay, let's go back. Yes, why? Let's go back. It's have a Android 12 system as well, and also it's have amazing 12,000 big batteries, and also it supports the 65-watt fast charging and also 50-watt wireless charging. So these are the main features of this model. It's really a power-based and all special look smartphone. And next, I will show you. Yes, I will test night vision camera indoor, and then we will go outside to test the waterproof functions. So let's go to the camera part and let's take it's night vision, not white vision, night mode. It's not night vision mode. So next, let's put the object on the desk, and then turn off light. Okay, turn off light, and also turn off the roof light. Okay, so now as we can see, it can work well in pure white, pure dark environment, and we can also find the object. Okay, wow, Doogee. Oh, we cannot see the words in the object, but we can try to take have a test. But we can find the Doogee logo here. It's a little bird, not so clean, but we can see it. We cannot. This is the model name, Doogee S89Pro. We cannot see it clearly, but we can get some words there. Okay, actually, if not from this camera, we can find the information. Okay, yes, we can find the information. Doogee S89 Pro. So it works well in the pure dark environment. Take a picture. Okay, we can shoot a video as well. Go. When we shoot a video, it not works. Okay, only. Okay, let's go back to the. Okay, yes, it works. It works very well in the pure dark environment, and now we are shooting videos. Whoa, nice. And we can find here there are 1, 2, 3, 4 emirate light here. So that's why we can see the words, and it works the night vision. It's not like normal night vision. For the normal phones, night vision is like the environment should not be pure dark, but here for the larger phones, it can work in pure dark environment. So now next, let's turn on the light and check the video quality of the pure dark. Fires, continue, and camera. And now we can find this is a pure. Okay, it's a pure dark environment video samples. So it really works well. Pure white environment, very good. Doogee, this model very good. And also we can go to the cameras and check the, yeah, so this is the photos images. It also works very nice. And we get the details for this one. The words is white color, so we cannot see the, see it cleanly. But in this one, the words is black, so we can, it's black, so we can get the information of this in this box. So actually it works well, and it works good more than I thought. It's really recommended for such a big battery. Okay, yes, it works. It works very well in the pure dark environment, and now we're shooting videos. Whoa, nice. And we can find here there are 1, 2, 3, 4 emirate light here. So that's why we can see the words, and it works the night vision. It's not like normal night vision. For the normal phones, night vision is like the environment should not print IP rating smartphone. So let's go next part. Okay, before we go outside, I will attach it, and let's check the Batman phone. So yes, this is the Batman phone. Now we can, yes, we can. Whoa, yes, we can lock it and see the LED flashlight that we said before. So this is the Batman. And thanks for this part. Next part we will go outside to check the waterproof part. Okay, thanks for this part. Now we are go outside to test Doogee S89Pro, the IP68 rating. So now let's go to the wardrobe test of this, wow, amazing Batman inspired smartphone. Okay, so now let's put it in the water, and whoa, okay, put more deep water here. I think here I find a place to put it. Oh, here we set let's try to set up the LED effort here. So we click the screen off LED light, and we choose alternate, and yes, let's go back. And so when we lock the screen, we will see the LED. Yes. Okay, screen the light. Then we will see the multi-colorful LED light is breathing now. Yes. So okay, now we put it in water, and we can see the light works. And oh, we drag it out, and we got the screen. Yes, it still works. Okay, let's try the screen water. Okay, yes, the noise works. And here on the left side of the screen we can find the customize button. We can set the functions we preferred, and yes, customize button. So here, when we click the setting application, and we can find our function column here, and here we find the smart key, child mode, gesture motion, QR scan, smart touch, easy mode, love mode, and dual speed. So it supports different modes. Yes, with one, now we can find the UI of the side key functions. We can choose one click, double click, long press to set the one click. We can choose one click to get the underwater camera, and yes, we can go back now. Okay, now put phone in the water and okay, one click. Okay, with one click. Okay, so the camera works. Yeah, picture. Yes, now it works. Now it works.